What's going on, guys? It's Greg with Tech 360, and today we're going to talk about wiring up a 120 volt plug. Now, this is basically, let's say you already have a plug on a wall, and it's like, you know what, there's only one plug on this wall, I need another one. I got other things I need to hook up, and I just don't have enough plugs, and I really don't want to use a power strip. I just rather drop another line down the wall, and I'll just jump off of this one. Now, if that's the case, or whatever it may be, and you need to jump off of another plug to add another plug, this is going to show you how to do it. Now, I like to do pictures. That's the way I learn, and that's the way I like to teach. It just, to me, if you visualize it, you can learn it better. Feel free to stop the video at any time. Feel free to screenshot anything you want to use to help you out. Now, let's say right here is your standard plugs right here. Okay, the one on the left is the one that's already existing on the wall. Let's say you got your lines running in, you got your white and your black. The green's not pictured, but your white is going to be gray just so you can see it. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and just jump another plug on it. This is how you're going to do it. You're basically going to, on the same side the white's on, you're going to get your cable, your wire, and you're basically going to tie the white on. That's on the same side the white's on the other plug. Same thing on the other side, and make sure you tie in your grounds. Like I said, I didn't put the green on here, but there is a ground wire, and they attach on the bottoms of the plugs basically. Now, let's say, you know what, I don't want that plug on all the time, you know what, or you just want to drop a plug down or something. But this is more if there's already existing plug and you would rather put a switch on it so it's not on all the time, whether maybe you want to hook a lamp into it or whatever it may be, outside lights, whatever. This is how you're going to do it. You basically have your plug on the right here that's already hooked up, and then you get your new switch. And basically what you're going to do is you're basically going to, like how it's wired, you have your white and your black and your green, which is not pictured here, but you get your white and your black. You're basically going to take your white wire and you're going to split it, and you'll basically put one in on the switch and the other one on the switch, and basically all that does is just create a break in the white wire. Basically, to put it simply, that's all it does. And that's how you turn, or you make your switch, or make your plug to where you can switch it on and off. Now, let's say you want to get tricky with it and you just got some weird idea here, and I've seen people do it. That's the only reason why I'm making this video. Let's say on this plug that's right here on the right, you got a plug on the top and you got a plug on the bottom right here. Now, let's say you want, you know what, I just want the top plug on all the time, but I want to make the bottom one switch to where I can turn it on and off. And okay, so here you go. This is how you do it. What you need to do though is you got to make sure there's a little tab between the screws. You have to break that tab off. You have to do it or it will not work. Here's another picture of it. Here's one where it's broke. You have to break it to separate the top and the bottom plug to make them independent. And once you get that done, now you have independent plugs, top and bottom. So then once you do that, this is how you're going to wire that up. This will make it to where, like, your top plug will be power on all the time, and the bottom you can run on a switch where you can turn it on and off if you want. Like, I've seen it to where people have like in houses, to where like on the top plug they'll have a TV that stays on, it stays plugged in at all times, but they want to switch on the bottom plug, and they may have a lamp or something on top of the TV, or they may have something plugged in around it that they want on a switch. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. It's pretty, like I said, it's real simple. I'll try to make it as quick as I could for you guys. Like I said, feel free to screenshot anything. If this helped you out, comment below. If you have any questions, comments, like I said, throw them down below. I'll do my best to get back with you guys. Until next time, guys.